Hello techies, this is CompTIA TestOut Lab 3.11.4 and we're going to install expansion cards. So you work in a computer repair shop, you are building two computers using spare parts. You need to recognize each expansion card by sight and install the component in the correct slots to each motherboard. Before installing an expansion card, view the details of the object on the shelf to verify that the card will fit in the destination slot. In this lab, your task is to assess the hardware bench for repair shop, examine the motherboard and answer the following question. Which type of expansion card slot does each motherboard have? How does the bottom slot differ from the other white slots on computer 1? How does the notch position on an expansion card identify the type of BOS slot in it fits into? On computer 1, which is on the left, install the VGA PCIe video card, install the PCIe network card, and on computer 2, which is the one on the right, you are going to install the HDMI PCIe video card and also install the PCIe network adapter. So we start up, we'll go to hardware on the workbench, and inside the hardware, what we want to do is to follow the instructions on our tags, and we have video card here, so we're going to install the appropriate video card here according to the specifications given to us on the left. So this is DDR3 PCIe. Okay, so we are going to install this in the slot, and let's go to the network adapters. According to the specifications, we are going to install this here, and then we go over to the second CPU. We want to take this card and install it here, and then let's go to the video cards, and according to the specification, this is the video card. We install it here. Nope, let's drag it again. We didn't drag it properly. Remember, you have to click the mouse and hold for it to move. Okay, we've added the card here. The next thing we want to do is to look at the tags. What else is left on our tags? How does on computer 1? Let's see. Alright, so everything is fine. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.